What's up guys? Today I would like to share this video about replacing the EGR pipe. It's been a while that I noticed the loose compression of my car's engine power as well as its sound became louder than before. Few years ago during its change oil at the shop, the technician noticed the loud sound and he pointed out the defect. He mentioned that it should be fixed but not so urgent, so I'm not so worried. However, it became worse until few weeks ago I had a chance to renew the registration and the owner of the shop told me that he knows someone on how to fix the EGR pipe. So I went to his recommended shop. However, the mechanic realized that the Flexi pipe should be replaced as well. It's kinda expensive though, but I need to replace it. I think it's better to replace those worn out parts to maintain the power of your vehicle. So here are some advantages of having Flexi tube. Flexi tube. Enhanced flexibility for a seamless connection, absorbing vibrations and reducing stress, minimizing cracks and leaks, thermal expansion compensation, improved durability for longevity, easier installation and maintenance, quieter ride, pleasant sound. One thing I missed to tell to the technician was to use stainless welding rather than iron welding. Anyway, I just asked that guy to grind the weld area at least to smooth the surface. It wasn't so impressive result, but at least it was replaced. Maybe next time I will be aware of before replacing it for the next 5 or 7 years. This man prepares the bracket to replace the EGR pipe. Through this idea, I've learned the accuracy of making it. The original length of EGR pipe was accurately maintained and installed perfectly. EGR pipe. Integral to the vehicle's engine management system. The aptly named exhaust gas recirculation valve, or EGR valve for short, recirculates finely metered quantities of exhaust gas to the engine intake system for increased engine efficiency, reduced fuel consumption, and lower NOx emissions. This stainless welding is better than the iron welding. It attached the metal part smoothly and rust-proof as well. Thus, I highly recommend this kind of welding, but of course the cost is a bit higher than the regular welding. So guys, it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something today. Thank you for watching and see you again for my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. God bless you all.